From Himachal to Haryana, amid the buzz over Haryana Assembly polls, Bajrang Punia, in an exclusive conversation with CNN News 18, has confirmed that he, along with Vinesh Phogat, may join the Congress today. In fact, they are in the process of getting inducted as we speak, because remember, they are very much present at Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. They are all set to join the Congress now, and Vinesh has resigned from Indian Railways just ahead of her political debut. This comes even despite the internal tussle over ticket distribution that is peaking in both the Congress party and the Bharatiya Janata Party as well. Congress High Command has decided to call in a CEC at 5 p.m. This is with regards to the Haryana Assembly polls as well. There are multiple names for the seats that are doing the rounds. MPs including Kumari Shailaja, Randeep Surjewala, Dipender Hooda have given their suggestions, and only 40 seats out of 90 are sorted so far. As for the Bharatiya Janata Party, top sources have also told CNN News 18 that a tussle is currently going on over tickets, which continues for over 24 seats. Nearly 18 BJP leaders are upset and may consider their resignations. BJP in the first list has denied tickets to 3 ministers and 9 sitting MLAs. 10 turncoats were also given tickets, including 6 to those who joined BJP just this week, and that seems to have miffed the members of the BJP in Haryana.
देखो, उन्होंने शायद आज पार्टी ज्वाइन की है और करेंगे मतलब, और वो रिज़ाइन देने आ रहे हैं, तो ये उनका व्यक्तिगत फैसला है, पर्सनल चॉइस है उनकी कि वो पार्टी में जाना चाहते हैं। बाकी मेरा मानना ये है कि कहीं ना कहीं हमें त्याग कर देना चाहिए, और बाकी जो हमारा जो आंदोलन था, जो बहन बेटियों की लड़ाई थी, वो उसको गलत रूप ना दिया जाए। मैं अभी भी उस पर डट के खड़ी हूँ। महिलाओं के लिए जो रेसलिंग में जो शोषण होता था और जो हमारा आंदोलन है, वो अभी भी मेरी तरफ से बिल्कुल जारी है। मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि जो आंदोलन है उसको गलत रूप ना दिया जाए। उन्होंने चाहे आज रिज़ाइन दे दिया हो पार्टी में जाने के लिए, लेकिन आंदोलन जो मेरी तरफ से है, वो जो मेरी लड़ाई है, वो जारी है, और मैं सदा इस चीज़ के लिए काम करती रहूँगी।
टिकटों का वितरण हो गया, कैसे देखते हैं? 67 सीटें जो बांट दी गई है।
देखिए, जो पहली लिस्ट आई है, हम केंद्रीय नेतृत्व का दिल से धन्यवाद करते हैं कि उन्होंने जिस प्रकार के मजबूत प्रत्याशी उतारे हैं और जिसको हमारे हरियाणा प्रदेश के आमजन ने उनका स्वागत किया है। मैं हरियाणा प्रदेश के लोगों से भी अपील करना चाहूँगा कि पिछले 10 वर्षों में आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में जिस प्रकार से हरियाणा मजबूती से आगे बढ़ा है, और हरियाणा में लंबे समय के बाद जो काफ़ी लंबे समय से युवाओं के साथ अन्याय होता था, क्षेत्रवाद के नाम के ऊपर लोगों से अन्याय होता था, महिलाओं से अन्याय होता था, गरीब लोगों से अन्याय होता था, पिछले 10 वर्षों में उस अन्याय से लोगों के साथ न्याय हुआ है। ये हमारी सरकार का डबल इंजन सरकार का फर्क है।
सोशल इंजीनियरिंग की गई है, हर जाति को महत्व दिया गया है टिकटों के अंदर। अभी जो 67 टिकटें आई हैं,
नहीं देखिए, क्योंकि कार्यकर्ता और जो व्यक्ति मजबूत है, ऐसे लोगों को पार्टी ने प्रायोरिटी दी है।
गठबंधन का फैसला करने वाले मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी हैं और राहुल गांधी जी, सोनिया गांधी जी नहीं है। ये हमारे हाथ में नहीं है। अगर वो करना चाहेंगे तो हम इस बात के लिए हम तैयार हैं, लेकिन मेरा अपना अगर व्यक्तिगत अगर आप व्यू ये है कि हमें गठबंधन की जरूरत नहीं है। आज के दिन कांग्रेस की पॉपुलैरिटी बहुत ऊपर है। अगर आप पार्टी के लोग लड़ते हैं, उससे कांग्रेस को कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा। आम आदमी पार्टी को हरियाणा में क्यों घुसने दिया जाए?
All right, let's quickly go across to Shireen Elizabeth, who's joining us live from the AICC headquarters at the moment. Shireen, give us a sense of what's exactly happening. Just a few minutes ago, you were telling us that Vinesh Phogat is getting inducted along with Bajrang Punia. In how much time should there be a confirmation with regards to the ticket that she'll be fighting from?
Well, after officially meeting with the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, there is going to be an official induction at the AICC headquarters, which is around 3 p.m. So, in presence of the Congress AICC General Secretary KC Venugopal, both the wrestlers, Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia will be in fact joining officially. Now, when we talk about which seats are both of them going to contest, we have broken this earlier as well. When it comes to both the wrestlers, the Congress is very much interested in making sure that Vinesh Fogart contests in the upcoming Haryana election, whereas they want to, in fact, they have promised Bajrang Punia that he can, in fact, be included in the party folds. He will be given a meaty position if and when the Congress party comes to power. So, moments from now they have officially met Mallikarjun Kharge. Any moment, both the wrestlers will be reaching the Congress office. Already, there are a number of supporters from their hometown who have reached the AICC headquarters here. Now, when we talk about specifically what are the seats that are being offered to Vinesh Fogart, there are two seats specifically which the High Command is in fact talking about. One is Charki Dadri, which is the hometown of Vinesh Fogart. The other one is Julena, which is the where she got married to Somveer, another wrestler. So either of these seats are being offered to Vinesh Fogart, and ultimately it is her decision from where she will be contesting. So moments from now, once that she has now that both of them have met Mallikarjun Kharge, any moment from now they will be officially inducted into the party at 3 p.m. Both of them have resigned from their post in railways. They have submitted their resignation, but it is not going to be easy because all this joining is coming amidst the criticism by the BJP saying that the entire protest that they did at Jantar Mantar against Brij Bhushan seems to be politically motivated. You remember, even from day one, Brij Bhushan has been pointing out that the entire protest is being done by two people, which is Bhupendra Singh Hooda and Dipendra Singh Hooda. Now they are saying that clearly this validates their claim, is what the BJP is saying. And I believe at 2:30 p.m. is when the BJP is also doing a press conference. So clearly this is going to be an all-out attack on both the wrestlers, on Bajrang Punia and Vinesh Fogart, claiming that alleging that they both have used the protest as a platform to enter into politics. So amidst all this controversy, we have to of course see how they go about their campaign and whether it will actually be beneficial for the Congress party in the upcoming Haryana elections.
True. Stay with me, Shireen, because I'm also joined in by Siddhant, who's currently stationed outside Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. Siddhant, while you tell us what's exactly happening at the Kharge residence, also important to highlight how much of this fanfare for Vinesh Fogart is in fact justified by the Congress party. We've seen how they welcomed her with open arms after her arrival from the IOC event. The fact of the matter remains that there's a lot that Congress hopes to gain right now, and what is it?
Well, absolutely. Look, Haryana has always been the Congress' stronghold. From last two elections, things have not been turning in favor of the Congress party. This time around, Congress party is making sure that they leave no stone unturned as far as winning Haryana is concerned. And this is perhaps the reason that they wanted to get Vinesh Fogart and Bajrang Punia in their camp. Right now, I'm reporting outside 10 Rajaji Marg, which is the official residence of Mallikarjun Kharge. From last 25 minutes, meeting is going on between Vinesh Fogart, Bajrang Punia, Mallikarjun Kharge. And in fact, Akanksha KC Venugopal is also inside and is present very much in the meeting. As Sharon was pointing out, after this informal meeting get-together, both the wrestlers are going to go to AICC headquarters. There, they would be formally inducted into the party. Now, Vinesh could contest elections. There are two options given to her. But as far as Bajrang Punia is concerned, then he's going to be the star campaigner for the Congress party in the state of Haryana. And perhaps both these wrestlers campaigning for the Congress party would help Congress party in getting a momentum in this state.